In this video, we'll explore the continuation diamond chart pattern, a powerful formation that signals a continuation of the prior uptrend. Let's delve into the key characteristics of this pattern and how it can help traders identify potential opportunities. The continuation diamond pattern begins during a downtrend, with prices forming higher highs and lower lows in a broadening pattern. However, as the pattern develops, the trading range gradually narrows, creating a diamond shape. The diamond pattern showcases decreasing price volatility as the highs peak and the lows start trending upward. This narrowing of the price range suggests a period of consolidation and uncertainty in the market. When the price breaks upward out of the diamond's boundary lines, it marks the resumption of the prior uptrend. This breakout signals the continuation of the previous bullish momentum and indicates a potential upward move in prices. As with any chart pattern, it's essential to wait for confirmation before taking action. Traders should observe the breakout and ensure that it is supported by other technical indicators and market factors. And that concludes our exploration of the continuation diamond chart pattern, a powerful formation that suggests the continuation of the prior uptrend. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram group and watch us trade. Happy trading!